This is a video. So Matthew, this is Chizito. He's right here in the green. And these are all his friends here at St. Lawrence School. And so he asked me to send you greetings, but I said he should do it.
Matthew, I send my greetings to you and I say hi.
May God bless you.
Oh, thank you. I'm sure he'll appreciate that. So just tell me a little bit about yourself, Chizito. What grade?
I'm in grade 7.
Grade 7.
Yeah.
And you like what subjects? What do you like to study?
I want to study mathematics.
You like mathematics?
Yeah.
Great. Do you play football?
Yes.
Well? Yeah? What do you think, boys? Is he good?
Yeah, he's a good keeper.
What is he?
He's a good goalkeeper.
Oh, the goalkeeper. Okay. All right. So now, Chizito and friends, can you wave goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.